Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR tool belt. So we got our instructions. Oh wow, this pouch is much nicer than I was expecting. So we got very thick leather on here. Like, this looks like it's gonna last forever. It is completely wrapped around the top. You got a zipper pouch here on the front. So if you got like tiny wrenches or anything like that. Large pouch, larger pouch, and then a small pouch on the top. That is nice. And this is, whoa, oh, hey. Okay, so this is cool. So I didn't even think this was going to be padded, but it actually is. This entire belt on this side is completely padded. On the front, it is not. It's just a regular belt, but where you need it, we got padding. So we got a hammer loop on the back. We got a couple of D-rings. We got a chain for holding your tape. So if you're an electrician, you just take your tape and you run it through there, flip it around, and the tape will never come off. These things are fantastic. Very nice chain too. Nice chrome plating on everything. I really like that. We got a couple spots for like pens, markers, that kind of thing. We got some spots for screwdrivers. We got a hook. Oh, look at that. This is a well-divided pouch. That is cool. We got some more spots for drivers here on the side and more on the other side. This is an incredible pouch. And they have straps here. So if you're like me and you got to kind of hike this thing up because you always overload it with tools, that will help you out. A couple D-rings on the front as well. So what this is you can actually take this and you can run some suspenders over it. So if you want to help take a load off your hips, these can be very important. There's a double pin buckle. We do have a roller here on the side, so we don't have to worry about that damaging the belt. And we have holes all the way down. The thing that attracted me to this one in particular is the fact that I'm a pretty big boy. And this can actually go up to, I think they said 54 inches. No, actually goes up to 56. See, they got a couple of different models here. This one is the 0201, goes 29 to 56, so that is a very large range, which is very important for me because most belts that are like this, they don't actually fit me. This one will, so that is awesome. So this is one way it could work. This is probably how I've been carrying it. So you can see, got all my my pliers, needle nose, dikes, mini crescent, knife, a bunch of screwdrivers, wrenches, more screwdrivers. On the left side in the small pocket, we got our screws, we got our drill or our impact, and then we got whatever kind of overflow. So yeah, that is a fantastic set. And with this heavy duty leather, that's gonna last a long time. That is awesome.